Hi, I'm Anupriya. In this session, I'm going to discuss lots of confusing things with you. Different words, different meanings. So much mess I'll also create. So let's see what the confusing words are there in English that are quite similar in their meaning, sometimes with their pronunciations also, but we use at different places. Taking the first one, advice, advise. Mention about the pronunciation. This is S, advice, alright, and this is Z, that is Z. So advice and advise. हिंदी में when we use to speak we say उसने मुझे एक अच्छी एडवाइस दी है, alright. So that is a piece of advice which is a noun, alright. She has given me a good advice. तो ये noun है और मैंने उसे advise किया है. This is this advice. That is a verb. I have advised her to follow good rules, alright. And this was a beautiful advice. ये एक अच्छी सलाह थी. That is this one. So when it is CE, it is noun, and when it is SE, that is verb. This is the difference between both of them. Coming to next, allot, allot. Alright, quite similar in their pronunciation. First one is carrying the spelling ALLOT. That is allot. It means you have assigned something. किसी को कुछ assign कर देना या कुछ distribute कर देना या कुछ divide कर देना. I have been allotted 2 classes to teach. मुझे 2 क्लास assign की गई है teach करने के लिए. So that is allot. Allotment word, if you have heard a lot, has taken birth from this allot. A lot means so many. I have a lot of books. Yes, because I study so much. I have a lot of books. I have a lot of money to spend. So this a lot which is carrying gap between both of them, that is so many in numbers. So a lot and a lot. Coming to next, anxious and eager. Hindi में both the words are carrying quite similar feeling and meaning. Alright? किसी चीज को जानने की इच्छा होना. When you are keen to know something, when you are curious to know something or to understand something. So ये both word हिंदी में same meaning carry करते हैं. But anxious carries the sense of worriness. जब आप worried होते हो, परेशान होते हो, and then you are trying to know something or trying to find out something, then we use this word anxious. I am anxious that what is going to happen in my interview. मेरे इंटरव्यू का क्या रिजल्ट आएगा उसके लिए मैं बहुत anxious हूँ. Means I am trying to know. So we use anxious when we are trying to know something or when we are trying to know about something, that is anxious. And I am eager to know whether she is going to get married or not. Means normal curiosity. It doesn't carry any feeling of anxiety or anxiousness. तो जब आप परेशान हो या चिंतित हो, then you use anxious, and rest of the feeling which is very normal at its platform, we use eager. Next one, commit and confess. Both the words carry the meaning of acceptance. Alright, किसी चीज को accept करना. That is commit and that is confess. But you must have heard, I am committed towards you. Alright, or I committed that I am going to provide good services to my clients. मैं ये accept करती हूँ कि मैं मेरे clients को अच्छी services provide करूँगी. So here I am showing the feeling of acceptance in positive and good manner. But when I say confess, so confess accept करने के लिए use होता है. But all the Bigg Boss fans out there is a confession room in Bigg Boss house. Why? Because there you confess your fear, you confess your problem, alright? You confess your mistake, you confess your crime. So all the bad guys are used with confess. So accepting something which is bad or negative, that is confess. So confess to yourself if you are studying properly or not. Alright, and be committed towards your study. Next one, which is actually confusing is while and when. Pay attention and listen it carefully. Now I'm going to speak a sentence in Hindi. जब मैं क्लास में पढ़ा रही थी तब मेरा स्टूडेंट आया. Alright. So जब मैं क्लास में पढ़ा रही थी, while I was teaching in the class, my student entered. यहाँ पर हमने जब जो हिंदी का वर्ड है उसके लिए while यूज किया है. क्यों यूज किया है? Because here while is showing the duration of time. It means big period of time. जब big duration या big period of time को शो किया जाता है तब हम यूज करते हैं while in English. But जब वो क्लास में आया तब मैं पढ़ा रही थी. When he entered in the class, I was teaching. Here I am using when because when शो कर रहा है point of time को. At the time, immediately, very soon. वहाँ पर कोई duration of time नहीं है. While it was raining outside, I kept on moving on the road. जब बारिश हो रही थी मैं रोड पर चलती रही. All right. जब बारिश बंद हो गई मैं घर पहुंच. When it stopped raining, I reached home. At a very point of time, the rain stopped. So when there is a point of time, we use when. When there is a duration, we use while. All right. Understand it very carefully. Next one, until and unless. All right. हिंदी में there is a word. जब तक आप मुझे नहीं बताएंगे मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर सकती. So the word जब तक in Hindi carries the both of the words as their English friends. Now until के साथ the rule is this, we use not and unless के साथ हम not नहीं यूज करते हैं. This is the only difference. Until you don't reveal your problem to me, I can't solve it. Alright? जब तक आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं बताते मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर सकती. Unless you tell your problem to me, I can't solve it. So until you don't tell your problem and unless you tell your problem, both are carrying the same meaning. बस until में हम not लगाते हैं and unless में हम not नहीं लगाते हैं. And both are have the same sense of जब तक. Alright? So these words somewhat similar meaning but actually very confusing when we are going to use it. So do practice and keep on practicing. Bye.